Did you know seagulls are notorious for their bold behavior? When they swoop in to steal fries right out of your hand, it's not just for fun. These birds are incredibly intelligent and have learned that humans are a reliable food source. They watch us closely, waiting for the perfect moment to snatch a snack. Their sharp eyesight allows them to spot food from great distances, and their fearless nature means they're not afraid to get up close and personal. So, next time a seagull makes off with your fries, remember, it's not just a thief, it's a savvy opportunist adapting to urban life.